Hello.
Greetings, sir. Your machine's maintenance is due. When can I schedule your appointment?
I don't think I need it. My machine was mostly idle with less usage.
Sir, your machine is approaching the specified time interval of 500 hours between the maintenances, and it needs periodic servicing for the machine systems to function efficiently. During maintenance, consumables like engine oil, hydraulic oil, transmission oil, coolant and various filters will be replaced based on need.
Okay, in the 500 hours, my machine usage was minimal with less load.
As per Caterpillar recommendations, machine maintenance is based not only on working hours, but it is also based on application, site conditions and service interval.
Still, light load and minimal usage would mean that the parts are in good condition, right?
Even if the machine is in high idle with full load working conditions, or in low idle with very light load conditions, wear and tear is based on time lapsed. Similar to unused medicine losing its power over time, consumables also lose their properties. Engine oil loses its lubricating property with age. AC filter capture moisture and dirt leading to bacterial growth. A clogged air filter can reduce the fuel efficiency. A scheduled maintenance also ensures all systems in the machine are running smoothly. Qualified engineer from Gmmco will assist you and help you solve your queries further. Oil sampling of various compartments will be sent to our scheduled oil sampling lab where oil analysis will be done. This will indicate wear trend of the parts, which helps us understand your machine better, and take preventive steps if abnormalities are found. This leads to lower fuel consumption and higher efficiency for uninterrupted usage at site.
Oh, I did not know that. Can you please help me with the service request tomorrow?
Sure, sir. I will schedule a visit tomorrow and the service engineer will do the necessary maintenance activities. The engineer will also perform a 92-point inspection of your machine. If required, he will collect oil samples for advanced oil diagnostics to identify early signs of failure.
That is very reassuring. I am looking forward to meeting them tomorrow.
Thanks for your continued support, sir. Your machine's health is in safe hands with Gmmco.